Steady, boy, keep moving. Watch the spacing on the ramp there. Keep them moving to section 3. Steady now, easy.
Lane 3 clear, moving to section B.
Roger that, opening gate 12.
The automated system is holding steady at 20 psi. Good. Let's check the flow rate down at the end.
Rumen integrity scan complete. Vitals are stable, Dr. Amati. Clear him for the next phase.
Gently now, let's keep moving forward. Rinsing the flank. Watch your step.
This section is clear. Move to the next batch.
All right, make sure the inventory count is accurate before processing.
We need to ensure this meets the finding solution standard.
Absolutely, the measurements are perfect.
Stitching is perfect on this one. Yeah. Yes, the leather quality is excellent.